Most amazing construction inventions and advanced working technology. Number 1. Facadeclick. Facadeclick, a provider of building materials, adapts to the trend of reversible construction by employing an HDPE connection and snapping its bricks together rather than using mortar or glue. A facade wall can be constructed much like a Lego structure thanks to the adaptable face bricks and connecting parts. This indicates that the wall may be taken down and the stones can be found and used again. The participants in this open call project are attempting to address 3 challenges: a legal, an economic, and a financial one, to hasten the transition into a genuinely circular use of this system and provide Facadeclick as a service. Today, a facade is rendered immovable by its intended purpose, which hinders innovative ownership models like leasing. Building using Facadeclick, however, makes it simple to detach the facade from the structure. A customer buys a facade today with the expectation that it would one day be useless. Facadeclick is anticipated to have a residual value at the end of the building's useful lifetime, though, given its reusability. But how do we get at this number? The residual value of the system is investigated by VUB Architectural Engineering using a life cycle costing method and a total cost of ownership viewpoint. Lastly, the project's collaborators are creating a more comprehensive business plan that will encourage the reuse of this facade. The biggest obstacles might be eliminated with an adjusted legal framework and assessed residual value, but a solution still needs to be found. A new value proposition will make it clear who bears the cost of bricks that cannot be reused, as well as how financial benefits from the revaluation of the brick will be distributed. Number 2. DoingLight solar tube. When it comes to addressing the most fundamental requirements of people, solar tubes offer several benefits. The solar tunnel is a new solution without electricity that, thanks to its combination of several extremely powerful characteristics, makes it a very useful gadget for solving numerous lighting-related difficulties, thanks to the huge boom in renewable energy and photovoltaic panels. The solar tunnel's diameter ranges from 525 mm to 825 mm, with a maximum light output of 40 meters squared and 75 meters squared, respectively. Also, these solar tubes are designed for flat and pitched roofs. These are perfect for rooms with more natural light requirements, such as hallways, bathrooms, pantries, living room hallways, kitchens, or medium-sized halls. Unlike LED lights, the sun tunnel and its accessories provide natural light that contributes to comfort, while avoiding standard artificial light exposure. Unlike LED lights, the solar tunnel does not generate any heat or radiation. Both flat and sloping roofs can accommodate the installation of these tubes. The solar tube can, alternatively, be mounted on a horizontal wall for direct access or on the ceiling, utilizing bends at angles of 30, 45, and 90 degrees. Number 3. StoneClip. An Australian-owned family firm called StoneClip specializes in the creation of distinctive stainless steel brackets for the mechanical fixing of large format panels, natural stone, ceramic, and stone wall cladding in both residential and commercial markets. They have been distributed to Australia and other countries for 15 years. A patented, engineer-certified tool called StoneClip provides several solutions to accommodate various stone weights, dimensions, and sizes. The smallest clip, which is 5 mm wide and can support weights of up to 10 kilograms, goes all the way up to the largest clip, which has been used on Adelaide's Anzac Walk to support stones weighing more than 400 kilograms. StoneClip solves issues with natural stone installation, design, and construction, and may be customized to fit any circumstance. Architects require materials with a long life cycle and good quality, and StoneClip delivers on both counts. The only restriction on the usage of StoneClip is the architect's creativity. It can be used indoors or outdoors, in ceiling cladding, and even over water. The 5-star green rating is a requirement for materials used in ventilated facade systems, and StoneClip has been utilized on various government projects including casinos, hospitals, and Australian embassies abroad. Number 4. Drivable Grass. A flexible, permeable, and plantable concrete pavement system is called Drivable Grass. Wet cast concrete with a low moisture absorption rate was used to create this item. To allow for infiltration and root penetration, drivable grass is cast with holes. Drivable grass can flex and adapt to uneven ground surface contours along predefined linear grooves, thanks to an engineered polymer grid that is cast inside of it, while still offering the desired structural support required for daily use. Even Even when drenched, drivable grass keeps its load-supporting properties. Also, the design gets rid of the sharp edges found in other items and ensures that it will not break or crack like solid concrete or pop up like plastic. Via biofiltration, infiltration, and storage, drivable grass provides a straightforward and dependable method for managing stormwater without taking up important site space. Storm drains, hydrodynamic separators, filtration systems, and detention basins can all be decreased or removed with the usage of drivable grass. Moreover, drivable grass contributes towards the necessary green space, allowing for more usable land and lowering the heat island effect. This permeable, flexible concrete paving mat with a low profile encourages better root infiltration and moisture control underneath the material, resulting in healthy turf. Drivable grass establishes a continuous root structure underneath the mats, promoting healthy grass while reducing moisture evaporation, in contrast to other products with cellular plantings in vacant spaces within the pavement field. By focusing the load on the concrete pads rather than on expansive void spaces, the product's shape also prevents infill and root compaction.